Stargates, giant devices enabling instant travel through wormholes, captivate science fiction fans worldwide. First seen in the 1994 movie Stargate with Kurt Russell and expanded in Stargate SG-1, starring Richard Dean Anderson, these portals fuse speculative science and adventure, creating a thrilling narrative. But where did the idea of Stargates come from? Who built them within the fictional universe? And could such a technology exist in real life? This article delves deep into these questions, blending lore, historical references, and real-world physics. In the Stargate universe, Stargates are ancient devices created by an alien race known as the Ancients, or Alterans in their original context. These highly advanced beings were part of a larger group of sentient species known as the Four Great Races. The Ancients seeded these devices across galaxies as part of their exploration and colonization efforts. The Stargate itself is an iconic ring-shaped device, instantly recognizable for its intricate design and metallic sheen. Composed of an unknown alloy, it exudes an aura of mystery and advanced technology. Its outer surface is adorned with enigmatic symbols representing constellations, while the glowing event horizon, when activated, captivates viewers with its shimmering, liquid-like appearance. This stunning visual aesthetic has made the Stargate a symbol of intergalactic adventure and a beloved element of science fiction, inspiring countless fan tributes and cementing its appeal in popular culture. The outer ring is inscribed with unique symbols representing coordinates within a galactic grid. When activated, the Stargate creates a stable wormhole between two gates, allowing near instantaneous travel between distant worlds. This transportation network, dubbed the Stargate Network, forms the backbone of the series' exploratory and military missions. Initially, the Stargates served as tools for exploration and cultural exchange. They enabled the Ancients and their allies to share knowledge, resources, and technology across vast distances. However, over time, the gates became embroiled in conflicts, as warring factions sought to control their power. By the time humans rediscovered the Stargate on Earth, it had become a relic of forgotten times. The Ancients were a highly advanced humanoid species who reached the pinnacle of technological and intellectual development. However, their journey was fraught with challenges. After being ravaged by a plague, many Ancients ascended to a higher plane of existence, leaving their physical forms behind. Before their ascension, the Ancients left their technological footprints across countless worlds. Stargates, or Astria Porta, as they are called in the series, stand as their most enduring legacy. Beyond their practical uses, these devices reflect the Ancients' profound understanding of space-time, quantum mechanics, and energy manipulation. The Stargate's design is rooted in advanced theoretical physics. The symbols on its surface represent constellations, used as coordinates to pinpoint locations in space. To open a wormhole, a traveler must dial a specific address by rotating an inner ring or using a DHD dial-home device. The process requires a vast amount of energy, which the gate harnesses from a nearby power source. One of the most visually striking aspects of the Stargate is the event horizon, a shimmering, liquid-like surface that forms when the wormhole activates. This phenomenon represents a stable connection between 2 points in space-time, maintained for a limited duration. The discovery of a Stargate on Earth serves as the inciting incident for both the movie and the series. In the film, archaeologists uncover the gate in Giza, Egypt, buried beneath the sands for thousands of years. This aligns with the show's narrative that the gate was left on Earth by the Ancients and subsequently used by the Goa'uld, a parasitic alien species, to dominate ancient human civilizations. The Goa'uld, masquerading as gods, exploited the Stargate to transport humans across the galaxy as slaves. This forms the foundation of the Stargate mythology, blending ancient Earth cultures with alien intervention. The show's protagonists, led by Colonel Jack O'Neill, Richard Dean Anderson, and Stargate SG-1, work to dismantle the remnants of Goa'uld tyranny and unlock the gate's full potential for peaceful exploration. The Stargate's fictional history draws heavily from real-world archaeology and mythology. The film's portrayal of the Giza Gate ties into the fascination with Egypt's ancient pyramids and their mysterious origins. The Goa'uld, posing as deities like Ra, Anubis, and Apophis, mirror the ancient astronaut theory, the idea that extraterrestrials influenced early human civilizations. This pseudoscientific theory, popularized by Eric von Daniken's book Chariots of the Gods, suggests that advanced beings visited Earth in antiquity, sharing technology and knowledge that shaped human progress. In the Stargate universe, this concept is woven into the storyline, portraying the Goa'uld as alien beings who used the Stargates to establish themselves as gods over human civilizations. This integration of myth and speculative science enhances the show's narrative depth, making ancient myths feel like plausible echoes of an interstellar past. While mainstream science rejects this theory, it provides fertile ground for science fiction. Stargate capitalizes on these ideas, reimagining ancient myths as the legacy of intergalactic travelers. While the Stargate concept is firmly rooted in fiction, it raises intriguing scientific questions. The show masterfully balances scientific speculation with entertainment, weaving theoretical physics into compelling narratives that keep viewers both informed and engaged. Could wormholes, the theoretical basis for Stargates, exist in our universe? Wormholes in physics. Wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical constructs in general relativity. They describe tunnels through spacetime that connect two distant points. While mathematically plausible, wormholes face significant challenges. Energy requirements. Maintaining a stable wormhole would require exotic matter with negative energy density, a substance not yet observed in nature. Size and stability. Natural wormholes, if they exist, would likely be microscopic and collapse too quickly for traversal. Causality. Wormholes could theoretically enable time travel, raising paradoxes that challenge our understanding of physics. Practical challenges. Even if wormholes could be stabilized, creating a device like a Stargate would require mastery over quantum mechanics, energy manipulation, and materials science far beyond current human capabilities. Thus, while Stargates ignite our imagination, they remain speculative for now. Beyond the movie and Stargate SG-1, the Stargate concept has inspired numerous spin-offs, including Stargate Atlantis and Stargate Universe. Each iteration expands on the mythology, introducing new worlds, species, and technologies. For instance, Stargate Atlantis explored the lost city of Atlantis in the Pegasus Galaxy, showcasing a new enemy, the Wraith, and delving deeper into ancient technology. Meanwhile, Stargate Universe focused on survival and exploration aboard the ancient spaceship Destiny, emphasizing a darker and more character-driven narrative. The enduring popularity of the franchise highlights the universal appeal of exploration, adventure, and the quest for knowledge. The Stargates also serve as metaphors for human potential. They symbolize the desire to connect, learn, and transcend boundaries. The Ancients' journey to ascension parallels humanity's quest for enlightenment, reminding viewers of the power of curiosity and resilience. The Stargates of Stargate and Stargate SG-1 represent more than just a plot device. They are a window into the interplay between science, mythology, and imagination. While real-world physics places significant constraints on their feasibility, the idea of Stargates continues to captivate audiences and inspire discussions about the nature of the universe. In a way, the Stargate's true power lies not in its ability to transport characters across galaxies, but in its capacity to transport viewers into a world of wonder. Whether through fiction or the tantalizing possibilities of science, Stargates remind us that the greatest journeys begin with a single step, or a single question: what if?